Hi everyone, I'm Sarab, and in this lesson we will add a new .NET application to our team server so that we can detect any vulnerabilities which it may contain. The steps to add a new .NET application are very simple. We just simply download a zip file, extract the installer, and run the installer. The installer, which is an exe file, will take care of configuring the agent and will automatically attach to the IIS server and start monitoring all the applications which are hosted within it. Here we have a basic .NET application named Webcode. This application is designed to have vulnerabilities, but on the surface, it looks like a pretty normal application. There's a login page, a product catalog, and a page to look at your pending orders. There's no way you would know that this application is full of vulnerabilities just by using it. Luckily, we have Contrast as a tool which is continuously analyzing and flagging any vulnerabilities it finds. So let's try adding Contrast to this application and see what we find. The first step is to go to our Contrast team server. Here I'm using the on-premise version of Contrast, but you might be using our SaaS server. So we're going to go up here and click Add Application. Then we click on the drop-down, select .NET, and then we click Download Agent. So this is going to download a zip file. So I'm going to click on a zip file, and the zip file contains the installer and a configuration file which allows the agent to connect back up with the team server. So let's extract the zip file so that we can run the installer. And here we go, here's our installer. So let's right click on the installer and click Run as Administrator. Now we're starting the installer. I agree. Click Install. These are the default locations. I'm okay with that, so I'm going to click Next, and it's ready to install. That's awesome. So I'm going to click Next. Wow, it's already done installing. So I'm going to click Finish and click Close, and look at that. My team server is integrated with Slack, so I'm already getting Slack notifications while the agent is starting up. So the agent, .NET agent, runs as a taskbar icon here, and I can always click that. It's always there, but it also disappears if it's not there. At the moment, it's analyzing the IIS server and wading through the application pools to find your applications. You may notice a few seconds delay in starting your application for the first time. That's because Contrast instruments the code with the security sensors it uses to detect vulnerabilities on its first run. It doesn't matter which libraries you're using or how big your application is. Actually, Contrast is a lot like New Relic or App Dynamics, except it's for security and not performance. So at this point, we can see that there are already a few applications which the agent has detected. We get a status that the .NET agent is working. Looking at the app pools, I can see all the app pools and which ones are running and whether the .NET agent is monitoring those app pools or not. I don't have IIS Express, and we also have a little console here. So let's go to our team server and check out how it looks like. So let's click Next here. As you know, the steps were very simple, but if you have any questions or if you're a little confused on steps, you can always click through this team server step-by-step guide here, and it will guide you through the install. So let's click Next. Restart server. I've already done that as part of the install. It already restarts the server. And nice, look at that. We're already seeing a few of our applications come up here. It was just created 2 minutes ago, and it was last seen 2 minutes ago. And this is my server name. So that's great. We have already installed it. And wow, we get a nice little congratulations screen just to make you feel a little good about it. So I don't see .NET here, and that is because I need to first send traffic through the application so that it kind of kickstarts the application and the agent knows that this application is there. So I'm going to go back to webgo.net and I'm going to refresh this page. Look at that. Now we see another application was onboarded, and that's my WebGoat application, which is what I'm going to be using. So let's go back here and let's refresh the application page. Nice.